1. In geometry, an angle is the figure formed by two rays, called the sides of the angle, sharing a common endpoint, called the vertex of the angle. The measurement of an angle is typically given in degrees. 2. The term part of an angle is a bit ambiguous, and its meaning can depend on the context in which it's used. An angle is typically composed of several components, such as the arms, rays, and the vertex. 3. Degrees are a unit of measurement for angles. They are commonly used to quantify the amount of rotation or separation between two lines or rays that meet at a common point, known as the vertex. A full circle is divided into 360 degrees. Angles are often classified based on the measurement. 4. Acute angle, an angle that measures less than 90 degrees. 5. Right angle, an angle that measures exactly 90 degrees. 6. Obtuse angle, an angle that measures more than 90 degrees, but less than 180 degrees. 7. Straight angle, an angle that measures exactly 180 degrees. 8. Reflex angle, an angle that measures more than 180 degrees, but less than 360 degrees. 9. Adjacent angles are two angles that share a common arm or side and have the same vertex, yet do not overlap. In other words, they are side by side and their interiors do not intersect. 10. Complementary angles are two angles whose measures add up to 90 degrees. If you have two angles, and when you add their measures together, the sum is 90 degrees, then those angles are considered complementary. 11. Supplementary angles are two angles whose measures add up to 180 degrees. If you have two angles, and when you add their measures together, the sum is 180 degrees, then those angles are considered supplementary. 12. Vertical angles are pairs of opposite angles formed by the intersection of two lines. When two lines intersect, they create two pairs of opposite, or vertical, angles. Vertical angles are always congruent, meaning they have equal measures.